Hello everyone, I am Ramesh Babu. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to paint the rose in watercolor painting. You can download this image for free in my website. All you need to sign up and check your email for verification link. Once confirmed, please log in and download the image. This tutorial is for beginners, so anyone can try this and enjoy the painting process. I have already drawn the rough outline sketch. I am using permanent pink, alizarin crimson, hooker's green, olive green and black for this rose painting. Start with a light coat of permanent pink like this and make sure to leave an edge gap to each petal while painting. Paint thick permanent pink shade to the depth areas and wipe the color with your wet brush like this. Try to paint the strokes like that for petals. It will create the texture. Paint olive green a light coat for the leaf petal. And stem like this. Add the hooker's green over on it like this and mix with the olive green. It will create the depth like that. Mix a small amount of black to the hooker's green and paint the depth to the leaf petal like this. Mix a small amount of black to the alizarin crimson and paint the depth to the flower petals like this. That's it. I hope you like this tutorial. Thank you.